What if the swirling, colorful clouds of gas and dust light years away from us are not just celestial spectacles, but cradles of life? This intriguing question takes us on a journey to the heart of nebulae, these colossal interstellar clouds composed of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases. Often we see nebulae as star nurseries, massive cosmic zones where stars are born, where they live, and where they ultimately end their life cycles. But let's stir the pot a bit, shall we? What if these nebulae are more than just stellar incubators? What if they are in fact the source of life as we know it? A hotbed of biological potential, a cosmic petri dish, if you will. As controversial as it sounds, it's a notion that has sparked debates among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Imagine, amidst the chaos and vastness of the universe, life forms emerging from the cosmic dust of these nebulae. Now let's delve into the controversial theories that suggest nebulae as the source of life. Our journey begins with the theory that nebulae, these cosmic nurseries, are the birthplaces of complex organic molecules. Picture this. Within these vast clouds of gas and dust, atoms collide and combine over eons to form molecules. Some of these molecules, by the sheer force of cosmic probability, become complex organic compounds, the building blocks of life as we know it. Once formed, these compounds don't remain idle. No, they embark on a journey across the cosmos, hitching rides on comets or meteorites, eventually reaching planets and moons. And it's here, on these celestial bodies, that these molecules could potentially seed life. But that's just one piece of the cosmic puzzle. Let's step into another theory, one that posits life forms could exist within the nebulae themselves. It's a notion that challenges our conventional understanding of life, and it's rooted in the concept of extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions deadly to most life forms. On Earth, we've seen extremophiles surviving in the harshest environments. The deepest trenches of the oceans, the boiling hot springs, the freezing Antarctic lakes. So who's to say that life can't exist in the extreme conditions within a nebula? Picture organisms floating in the cold vacuum, shielded from lethal radiation by the thick gas and dust. Picture these life forms, not as we know them, but as entirely new entities, adapted to the unique conditions of their nebular homes. It's a bold idea, yes, but one that opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for life beyond Earth. These theories, as controversial as they may be, push the boundaries of our understanding of life and its origins. They force us to look beyond our blue planet, to consider the vastness of the cosmos not as a lifeless expanse, but as a cradle for life, teeming with potential. They compel us to ask, could the nebulae, these cosmic nurseries, hold the seeds of life? And if so, what does that mean for us, for our quest to understand our place in the universe and in the book of life itself? Is life as we now know it eventually just an exception, and life in universe generally is much more diverse than we know today? The universe is vast and full of mysteries, and the idea that life could originate from nebulae is one of them. Today, we've delved into the swirling cosmic clouds of dust and gas, the enigmatic nebulae. We've explored the controversial theories that propose these stellar nurseries as not just the birthplaces of stars and planets, but potentially of life itself. These theories, though contentious, have sparked a vibrant debate within the scientific community and beyond. They've prompted ongoing research, probing deeper into the mysteries of nebulae and the possibility of life-sustaining elements within them. From the hypothesis of nebulae housing complex organic molecules, to the idea of panspermia, where life could be transported from nebulae to planets via comets or meteoroids, we've covered some truly intriguing concepts. In the end, whether nebulae are the birthplaces of stars, planets, or even life, they remain fascinating subjects of study, holding secrets that could redefine our understanding of the cosmos and life itself.